Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am here with a very interesting video. Today I will make a worksheet for maths activity, and topic is subtraction, and the theme is again the fruits and vegetables. So how you can make a worksheet for fruits and vegetables. So let's start. So I'll make some fruits and then I will subtract it. So now this is an apple. So I have already told you that you can actually um, take a theme, monthly theme, and then all the activities you can base on that theme. So yesterday also I just uploaded a video, and that was actually on EVS worksheet. And today that was to the match, and today I am going to make the maths activity. So you can make some fruits for subtraction. So first one is your apples. Now there are 5 apples minus, you can like tell the child 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. From this I will take 2 apples from you. So how many apples are left? So they will cut 2 apples and they will count rest 1, 2, 3, and they can write the answer. So they will understand about the concept of fruits. Now I'll make some mangoes. You can draw some mangoes. And you can tell, okay, now this is a mango. Now you have 4 mangoes. 1 2 3 4, and I am taking 1 mango from you. So how many mangoes are left? Now the next you can make grapes. Any fruits you can make actually. No, so these are some grapes. So these are actually, the concept of fruit will also get clear, and child will actually love this activity. And the full month you can put these type of activities. If the theme is fruits, then all the activities that can be based on fruits only. So now there are 1 2 3 grapes. And now if I take 1 grape from you, 1 grape bunch from you, so how many grapes are left? So the child will tend the answer. So it will be like this. Now which fruit you want to make? You can draw any fruit. So now I will make orange. Orange. 2 3 4 5 6, and I am, now there are 6 oranges, and you have to give back 1 orange to me. So how many oranges are left? So this type of worksheet you can actually give to your kid, and they can actually do the answer also. You can ask them to write the answer in the front. Now this activity can be used as a coloring activity also. So the child can color it also, and they can write the answer also. So you can give them to color, so they know apple is red in color, so they can color it red. Now you can color the grapes. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. On my channel actually I draw cute drawings, and then I tell them how you can actually use them in preschool activity also. So actually I want to draw fruits today. So I have drawn the fruits, and this can be used as a worksheet also for the maths activity. So I think children will love this type of activity. And now orange is left, so you can color the orange also. So this way actually children will can use it as a coloring activity also. They can color it also. So this can be used as a coloring activity, maths activity, EVS activity, tell about the concept of fruits. So they can just, you can use it in any way you want. And the most important thing is that I love to draw and color. So this is also an activity in which I actually, making easy drawings, and then I will give it to my daughter. Her name is Kirti, and she will color it now. She will do the maths in concept in this. She will learn subtraction from this. So I hope she will also like the. So I hope you must have enjoyed this worksheet, and you can add many more fruits in this worksheet, and you can convert into addition worksheet also. So please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Share it with others also. Enjoy drawing, preschool activities, storybooks, and many more things. So till my next video, I just want to say bye to all of you.